Good morning everyone. Welcome back to another video. We are in the desert again and we're at a trailhead. Let's go for a hike. It's a little windy outside. I may not be able to fly the drone, but I'll take it anyway because you never know. We'll get some good views. Let's pack up batteries for the drone so I can fly more. The drone. Also my controller, obviously. Gotta get some water. All I need to do is cover the windows, secure the doors, that one with the latch, the two front doors with the seat belts. Only the side door is not gonna be double blocked, but that's just how it is. What an incredible hike. It was pretty steep, I gotta say. I haven't done a hike like that in a while. And there's nobody around, but I made it. It also gave me a big appetite, so I need to find a spot to park and camp and make some lunch. First, I'm just gonna set up the van for camping mode and we'll get cooking. And done. Now we're ready to camp. Even though it's windy and when it's outside it's not super hot because of the wind, it's still pretty hot, so I had to turn on the vent and also open the windows so the breeze comes in. The reason I'm saying all of that is because you're probably gonna hear the vent inconsistently going because of the wind. I hope that makes some sense. Let's start making some food. Now it does. Lunch is served. Let's do this. Made it a little smaller than usual, but I'm gonna have dinner later on. If you guys have been watching for a while, lately you see that I'm trying to add as much nutrition as I can. There's a plane going by. I'm trying to add as much nutrition and protein as I can to my diet, and today I added beets. Oh, that's really good. I initially kind of stayed away from beets because, as you saw, they are kind of messy, but no more. About the hike that you guys saw me take today, so somebody actually lived there between the 1930s and 40s. A family actually lived there. Marshal South was the guy's name that built everything. His wife Tanya and 3 kids. He called it the roof of the world. That hike got me winded a bit today. It goes up in elevation quite a bit, as you guys saw. It's not a long hike, but to build a house there, that's on another level. And he also mentioned that the wind and the sun fought him every step of the way. During the summer it gets really hot, during the winter it gets really cold. This is mainly the desert, so not only hard to get food, but imagine hard to get water. He had like a little well and he just got rainwater. Now he built this place just to have an escape, to have peace and quiet and live independently. It wasn't very sustainable, so eventually they ended up moving. But the ruins are still there. Most of it is pretty much gone, but it was a whole house, and that's a pretty cool thing. And people go hike that all the time. It was my first time hiking up there, so I would imagine it's not windy like that all the time, but it was windy today. My drone was not happy. What I'm trying to get at is that when we put our minds to it, we are capable of extraordinary things. Where there's a will, there's a way. Wow, I chose the wrong time to get outside. It's moving the van back and forth. That's new. Welcome to the channel. All right, let me show you the campsite really quick. Obviously, it's gonna be windy, so the wind's gonna ruin it. I'm not gonna be talking too much.